name is Ubaldo Aragon, and we work here at Aidens Diesel and Auto Repair. We do everything with building, repairing engines, electrical, brakes, oils, anything that has to do with automotive, and also with diesel and trailers. We rebuilt 2012 6.7 diesels, Fords, Dodge, any kind of performance cars that you want to build, you name it. Me personally, I've been only doing this for 11 years, but I started since a kid with my dad. He's been doing this for more than 30 years. Get your cars ready for emissions. If you're buying a new or used vehicle here in town, we can inspect it to make sure you're buying the car that you really want. We don't like to skip any pages or anything like that. We stay on our point and we try to fix everything the correct way. We give a whole year of warranty on the part, and depending on the part it is, we can do 6 months to a year on labor, but it doesn't cost you anything if you come back, as long as it's the same part that we repaired at that moment. Recently we just worked on a 2012 Power Stroke F250 with a 6.7 diesel engine that a customer came from out of town, and he came in right before the holidays and he needed to get back to his family, and we just got onto it. We got him back to the road so he can get back into the holidays, back to Christmas to his family. What gets us motivated here at our local shop here is that every day is something new, and that's what's more say excitement, you know, because every day is something different. It's always stuff that get complicated, and when you figure out the problem, you're like, yeah, that's the problem, because the cars ain't gonna talk to you, so you just go at it. Well, we're here at Aidens Diesel and Auto, 1515 Coors Boulevard Northwest, and our phone number is 505-242-0669. We're here to help the community. We're here every day. Just come in and get your estimates here and get your correct diagnostic.